Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to make some slime, some DIY slime. And yeah, so to make slime, I'm going to use some glue, some shaving cream, Tide, don't tell the mother, and borax. As well as you're going to need a container and a fork and some gloves because you don't want it sticking to you. So anyways, let's get on with this video. So the first step is obviously to get your glue, and just put it all in your container. You can pretty much adjust however much you want to put. That's just however much you want to put. However big you want to make your slime, that's your choice. No one's judging. Okay, so that was one bottle of glue. I'm actually gonna put in another half a bottle just to have a little bit more in there. Okay, so I got my glue in, and now I'm going to add some shaving cream just to make the slime just a little fluffier. Just a little bit. And I'm just gonna mix that all together. Should kind of look like this. Nothing really different, just because it's shaving cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna add Tide liquid laundry detergent. Please don't tell my mom that I'm using this because she will kill me. Thanks, guys. So I'm just gonna add a little bit at first and just start mixing it in. So it should look like this. Just, mix it all in. Get the sides everywhere. Okay, now that I mixed that part in, I'm gonna add now more. I just want to mix it in well, to get it what it should be. Just slimy like that. See? It's starting to come together. I actually think I put a good amount in for it to quickly already, retain its shape. Ew, got some on my hand. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's kind of got the slime, but I'm gonna, oh, we're back. My bad, guys. It's because I'm mixing it, so the counter's shaking. Okay, so as you can see, we got the slime going. Gotta, beat that butter. Oh, once again, sorry guys, sorry, my bad. So, now that I have my slime pretty slimed up, I put my glove on. So I'm going to, oh my god, this thing needs to stop falling on me, please. Okay, so I got my slime a little slimy over here, And now I'm going to take the slime in my hand with the gloves, and I am going to just pour some borax in and just, you know, dab it in. Dab it in. Oh God, oh God, oh God, sorry. Oh, everything is just a mess right now. Oh, we keep falling over here. Okay, hold on, let me fix you guys. Oh, the slime is, do we, no? Okay, so the slime is kind of slimy. So I'm gonna mix it in with that borax. You know, beat it, stretch it out. You can add definitely colors to this. You can add paint, you could add food coloring. You can make it any color you want. I want basic because I'm basic. And, you know, gotta, oh my God. My mom's gonna kill me if I make a mess. But anyways, it seems like it needs a little bit more borax. So, oh, obviously that was a little too much, but it's okay. I'm just gonna sprinkle it in. And as we do that, add more. We don't want it sticky. Oh. And there you guys go. Your own slime. This is how it is. Let me take off my glove. This is slime. This is slime, guys. Oh, this camera hates me. Hates me. But anyways, let me show you. Let me show you my slime. Hold on. Let me get it. It's like alive. This is the slime. And this is the mess. All the ingredients you need to make slime. That's slimy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more of these weird ass videos. See ya.